We already explored the creek. Didn't work out
well. That was horrible. Just horrible.
We already went to the beach.
Oh.
We already went rope swimming on the creek. You feel me?
We already went jumping on the water trampoline.
What is there left to do? Well, we could look at the fire, make s'mores or something. Or we could chase around James and these.
Jump across the edge, okay? This seems really stupid, but it's my only choice. I don't know if I should do this. Ah! Oh, well, I nearly killed myself there. Wait, I forgot my bags. Wait.
Takes him.
You're too easy.
What the heck? No, Kitty.
There isn't, okay.
No kicking.
Okay, my turn.
Tom! Tom, where are you going? Meet Tom the turtle. Tom, come back here. Come back here. Where are you going? Hi, Tom. Say hi. So I don't know where you think you're going. Not much that way. Well, have fun, Tom, wherever you're going.